Ho ho ho! Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Shake up the happiness. It's Christmas time. Shake it up, shake up the happiness. Wake it up, wake up the happiness. Come on, yo, it's Christmas time.
Hi guys, I was so busy today. I woke up at like 10 something. I forgot what I did today, but I didn't really do anything. I watched Teen Wolf because I didn't see it on Tuesday. I was working. Made some food to eat. I don't remember if I ate this morning or not. I drank a coffee and then I was just on the TV just relaxing because I left to go to work at around, I left at 5. I got to work on time. I closed the store later just because it wasn't very busy today. Like it was very empty and it's like Saturday afternoon, so it's like, why would it be like very empty? But we decided to close the store. My manager decided to close the store at 10:30. It closes at 10, which meaning half an hour to like close the store, like clean and do register stuff. So I left work like around 11:30. I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm tired and I'm cold, so I'm just gonna sleep in my jacket and everything because it's really cold outside. It's 41 degrees. But I'm gonna have to combine today and tomorrow, so days 17 and 18 together, because I've had like, I don't know, I'm probably gonna post this until Monday, which sucks, but you know, tomorrow I'm gonna wake up, eat and chillax for a little bit, and then I have to like leave my house by noon. I'm working 8 hours tomorrow, so gotta do what you gotta do, and I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. Bye. Hey all, it's Sunday and today I work from 2 to 10:30 and it's gonna be a long shift. I have 1 hour break, so I'll probably talk to you guys in my hour break. I'm really tired and sleepy. I came home at 1 a.m. Then I woke up at 11 because I was that tired. I will talk to you guys again in my break because I'm almost at work. Hi guys, so I didn't really record during lunch. Right now I'm closing the store. I had to count like every item in this store. See, 500, 1,000, 1,000. It's gonna take me a while. You guys, I was just about to leave and I forgot to sweep, so I ended up sweeping, but I'm so tired. I was supposed to be out of here before 11 and it's already 11:30. I closed the store extra early today just because you know I'm slow. Not too slow, but you know, it took a while. It took me a long time and stuff, so yeah. Got my snacks, got everything. I worked by myself today from like 2 all the way to 10:30, and I'm gonna start heading out to the metro. Did I leave anything? Everything's clean. Okay, everything's clean. Turn off the light here, and then here, and then here. Keep walking. You guys, I basically was just tripping out because this thing didn't wanna, sorry, the lights just went out. Didn't want to lock, and I had to figure out it was the back door. It was open. What's this here? I forgot the code. Wait. Okay. I have 60 seconds. Where's the key? Where's the key? Oh, it's in my hand. So cold. So I just gave a homeless lady my pretzels and a juice, and then she still asked for money. Like, that's very ungrateful. At least I gave you food. Stop asking for more money. Like, that's all that matters, right? Food to eat. Gets me mad, but you know, at least I helped her. I'm now heading home. It's about to be 1 a.m. I'm barely heading to the train station. Just got off from the bus not that long ago. But I hate this train station because it's very like scary and stuff. Because yesterday there was like a homeless guy like across the street like trying to get my attention and stuff. But I'll talk to you later. It's like 1:30 and it's very cold. Like I think like 41 degrees. But you know, us LA people are not used to cold weather. But I forgot to say, as I was closing, there was something that was happening with the alarm system. It said some word and I was like, what? And I closed the door and I was like, why is it still beeping? And it was beeping really loud. I was like, what's happening? So I had to check what was happening. I had to Google, and I Googled. It said that one of the doors is open. It means that one of the doors is open. So I had to go out, turn on all the lights, and then go all the way to the back of the store because one of the doors was open. But I didn't know that door is supposed to be closed. It's not like the back door, but it's like the door before the back door. But yeah, I'm basically almost home and I'm sleepy and tired. I've been at work since 2 p.m. today and it's already 1:30 a.m.